Welcome, welcome. I'm just harvesting pea shoots right now. Pea shoots are one of my favorite microgreens to grow. They're just so easy. They taste good, they're fresh, and they cut up really, really nice. So the way I like to harvest pea shoots is with a knife. You can use either a knife or scissors. I like to use a knife because there's a lot of packaging, so it's easier to kind of just grab it all and kind of cut. So we use our containers like this. I cut up some paper towel for the bottom. This is for a moisture guard because you are growing hydroponically and leaves like to respire, so there's a lot of moisture. So I cut a piece of paper towel just about the size of the container I'm going to pack it in. So we're packing it in these large containers today at approximately 100 grams or almost 150 in these large containers. So the way I do it is I take my hand, I go like this, I push it back, take my knife, and I cut right below the first leaves, the first true leaves there. And I just cut. And I keep grabbing as I cut, open my hand, keep going back, and keep cutting. Watch your finger there so you don't cut yourself. But once I get like a handful, it's my measuring tool. I know approximately how much it is. Put it in here. I buff it up a little bit just to kind of fan it out in a tray or a container. And I kind of pack it in. But you can see one tray produces approximately 6 containers. So that's about 150 per container at 6 containers. What is that? Well, that's about 900 grams, almost a kilogram of pea shoots from one tray. And that was grown in about a week, give or take, on the racks.